Hello, everyone. My name is William. I'm working as a junior software engineer in Gojek, which is also, I think, company that Daniel's mentor Drew worked in. My project, it's the receipt processor and reporting app powered by multimodal LLMs. As for my mentors, it's Maria Kelly and Aditya Singh. Then I'll go on to the next slide. The problem we want to solve by this project is there's like three main problems. The first one is the manual expense tracking is time consuming since the users must manually or calculate the amounts, the dates, and categorize the receipt or the spending manually. And next is the receipts are difficult to organize, especially if there is like a lot of events or a lot of types of receipt that you need to like organize. And then next is generating a reports or a summary of your expenses or receipt are quite tedious basically because they need to do like a lot of calculation and it's difficult without a lot of manual efforts. This is what I've been working this past few months basically. Receipt processor app is a Rocket.Chat app for receipt processing and expense reporting. It will basically simplify the expense tracking using OCR capabilities of multimodal LLMs. So you can just like upload it, your receipts image into a chat channels in Rocket.Chat or in a threads, which can symbolize a trip or time period or any events that you want to like specify. And then first it will validate the image and extract the data from the image. Like it will first uh, extract the items and the amounts, like the prices and stuff like that, and the date, and it will store it in a persistent storage. And after we storing it, we can also like generate reports by the data that we are storing, like a daily reports or weekly reports. And we also support like queries by using natural language queries. So we can like please show me all the receipt that I have sent it to you like this month or this week, something like that. So there's like five main features. The first one is to extract and save the receipt or the invoice data from the image. And then we can also filter the data by date range or channel or threads, basically. And next, we're also able to like query the data or execute commands that we want, like generate reports also counts as a commands by using natural language. And we also can del- delete or update the stored receipt if there is any like mistakes that when the LLM basically do trying to extract the data, there might be some mistake. So the users can also like manually fix the mistakes basically. And then we're also able to generate categorized reports by using a date filter or like date range filters or category filters. I will just go past this quick. This is the like a small example of how it does it. So we just upload an image to a channel like this, and it will extract the data for us. So first it will validate if it's a receipt or not. So it said it's a receipt and it will extract the data for you, basically. So after that, it will also send a summary of the data that it has extract. I think it should like this. It will show the data in the image, like the items, the prices, and the total of the receipt, basically. And next, for querying or executing commands, we can do normal conversation with the bot, basically, like just say help or please do this, something like that. And we can also like edit it or delete the data if we want to. So if we want to like update some data, we can also do it manually. Like we can query the data. So like show me all the receipt data from 2021, and it will show only the 2021 data, something like that. And it also able to generate a report in a PDF format like this. It will like generate a PDF for you, and you can just know like the breakdowns, like how much you spent or what did you spend it on, basically. So like that. Yeah, I demo time. I will let me change my screen. Screen. I think I will first start by asking the bot to like create a channel for me. So if we ask the bot via direct message like this, via DM, we can just like talk to him, like create a channel for me. Like I will call it probably GSOC Showcase or something like that. And it will respond and creating a GSOC Showcase room or channels for me. So it says like has been created and registered successfully. So uh, like there's multiple channels here, but if it's not registered, then we cannot. Then the app or the bot won't be able to like do anything in it. So if there is like a random channel you want to register the bot on, you need to like mention the bot and tell him to like add this channel to register the channel so they can like read the data from it basically. So for this one, because it's already registered, I will just start. Uh, so I will use my own receipt since I'm going to use a specific currency. I will just set the currency for myself. For this room, it will use a specific currency, which is the Indonesian rupiah. So yeah, we need to add them. So there's notice. Yeah. So the currency for this one has been set to IDR, which is the Indonesian rupiah. And then I will just try to upload one of my receipt. It's a Starbucks receipt. And we need to wait. It will say processing your image. So when the first process they will do is they will validate the image. If it's a receipt image, they will say like, oh, it's a receipt image. I will extract the data for you. Please wait, something like that. So now we need to wait. And I think I will also try using the non-receipt image to see how they will do it. So this one is a non-receipt image. I will just send it to them also. Okay, I think we need to wait. Yeah, I think this one is for this one, but for this one, I think it's still loading. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, let me update a new image. It's it should it's usually take a long time. I think usually 10 to 15 seconds, but I don't know what is happening here. Hmm. Is it because I'm lagging? Wait, let me turn off my camera. I think okay. I think this one it should look like this actually. So processing your image, please wait, and it will say like, oh, perfect, it's a receipt, and it will like show the summary of the image, and it will ask like, I think there should be a button here. Why did it stuck though? Wait, let me try to stop sharing screen. I think. Hmm. Oh yeah, and now it's working. I think it's because of my internet was lagging because I shared the screen. Yeah, wait, I think we need to wait. So the validation is done basically, but oh yeah, I think we need to wait until it parse the data. Uh, let me turn off my screen again. I think it will do it faster if I do that. Okay, it's working. Yeah, after I turn off my screen, it's working. Okay, yeah, this one no, it's working. I think it's because the call to the LLM was no, it's not using the local model. It's using I was using in deep infra to do a remote call to the model. So it's working. So it's a controller. I will just like you can edit the value if I want. Like I think the name is too long, so I will just remove the some of the name. Like I will remove it. I will just need to the controller name and save it. Yeah, it should be safe, and I can show the receipt. I can just say it like show me the receipt list. Now it will show the receipt list basically like this, and we can also edit or delete the data if you wanted to. And I think I'll just try to generate the report. Generate report. Meanwhile, I can try to re-upload the image. I hope it works. Like, uh, yeah, it's working. If I download the PDF and open it, it will only show one item, which is the controller. So it was categorized as electronics, and there's a bit of summary. Like your spending for this period is focused on a single significant purchase, which is the controller, something like that. The PDF is in a few. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let me. I think I'll just share the entire screen. Uh, yeah, this one is the PDF. So it will show the PDF, and you can just download it. Okay, now it's working. I don't know. I think it's because there's a problem with my connections. So this is working. Just save it. Now I can also do it like generate report for specific category, like generate report for like my food spendings in 2025. So it will only take this one, the this coffee receipt. So it will ignore the controller. Okay, it's working. Yeah, it will only show the food basically. So there is like three coffee here, and it will ignore the other categories, which is the electronics. Yeah, I think that's it for me. Thank you.
Thanks, William. Great presentation. We can have 1 or 2 more minutes for questions if uh, anyone here has something
Okay.
to ask.
Uh, as for the LLM being used, the LLM being used is currently I think it's the Llama 4 Maverick in Deep Infra. And would it be possible for the users to prompt inject and get the LLM to perform non-receipt actions? It shouldn't be possible. Let me try. I think I already gave it a guardrails. Let me show it. Let me try to to ask him to like the usual like create React app or something. And it will like I wasn't able to process your request or like can you like so there's like a help command here. It's gonna show what the list of commands basically. Anything other than this, it will like uh be rejected basically. So any other commands other than this, it will be rejected by the bot because I specify like whatever they can do basically. So it should be safe. I think that's it from me. Thank you.